Using DynEd's study records to monitor your study. When you use DynEd, it's important to monitor your progress and improve how well you study. Study frequency, for example, is important. You need to study often, at least 3 to 4 times per week. This will prepare you for your classroom or coaching sessions. Mastery test scores and completion percentages for each lesson indicate how much more you need to study a lesson and which lessons need more review before a new test or lesson unlocks. To see your study records, go to the Options menu here and select Study Records. In some courses, you can also see the study records by clicking here. In the study records, the left column shows the units or modules in your course. Click the plus sign to see more detailed information. This column shows your study time in the lesson, and this column shows your completion percentage. The completion percentage is a measure of how much you have studied a lesson. This number is based on how many questions you have answered and the number of times you have repeated, recorded, and monitored your voice. A green check mark indicates that you have completed the lesson or unit. To complete a lesson, you need to go through it several times and on different days. As your comprehension increases, your completion percentage will increase faster, and your shuffler level here will increase. When you begin a lesson, your shuffler level is 0. When your shuffler level rises, the lesson will add or vary the language in the lesson and add more questions. Why do you need to repeat a lesson so many times? It's because repeated practice is necessary to develop any skill, including your English fluency. The completion percentages will help you track your practice in each lesson. When you see a red lock, it means the lesson or test is locked. If you double-click the lock, a pop-up window will indicate which lessons or tests you need to complete to unlock it. To see what you studied today or yesterday, click here. This shows you the sequence of lessons you studied and how much time you spent in each. To see how well you have studied, click the Tutor button here. This important information tells you how to improve your study. A high score, anything above 6, means you are studying well. A low score means that your study needs to improve. For example, if you are not recording your voice often enough, you will lose points. To improve your study, please check the tutor often. A good study score means that you will make progress more quickly. Generally, the study score range is from -12 to +12, but this varies for some courses. However, any score below 0 indicates that you are not studying DynEd as well as you could be. To see more detail about the study score, click here. In conclusion, we recommend that you check your study records often. For example, you may want to do this when you start each day. To improve your fluency more quickly, follow these steps. 1. Study often, in short sessions. 2. Study in different lessons or courses in each session, particularly in the highest unlocked lessons. 3. Go through each lesson multiple times on different days to master the language. 4. Don't forget to use DynEd's practice routine. Listen, record, playback, and compare often. 5. When you are ready, use DynEd's speech recognition. 6. Watch your study records and follow your tutor's advice. Finally, it's important to concentrate. Whenever you get bored, switch to another lesson and do a different type of activity. By following these steps, your path to English fluency will be shorter and your hard work will be rewarded faster. If you have questions, please ask your teacher for advice or watch the previous videos again. Good luck and successful study the DynEd way.